Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima cabin air filter. First, clear out your glove box completely. Next, look for a small dampener arm on the right side of the glove box and unclip it. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops, allowing it to swing down fully. This reveals the air filter housing. Once the glove box is open, you will see the rectangular cabin air filter housing. It typically has two small clips, one on each side. Gently unclip these retaining tabs. After releasing the clips, carefully pull the cover straight off the housing. This will expose the old cabin air filter, ready for removal. Before pulling out the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the direction air flows through the filter. Gently slide the old filter straight out. Now, take your new filter and ensure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing. With the new filter in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring the two clips snap firmly into position. Then, lift the glove box and press its sides inward again to guide it back into place. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Replacing your cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year helps maintain good air quality. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.